In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tail light bulb on your Hyundai Accent Hatchback. Open up the hatch. Now we need to take off the 4 screws over there that hold the tail light in place. Now for the first 3 screws, you can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench. I would just use a screwdriver to keep things easy and simple, because you can use the same screwdriver for the 4th screw as well. Alright, let's take all the screws off. Now you see that black tab over there? It may not come off right away. What you could do is get a flathead screwdriver and use it to pry it off like that. It'll come off easily. Now we need to wiggle the taillight a little bit. Alright, so there's 2 pins holding the taillight in place. We gotta pry the taillight out of those pins. So hold it like that and pull it out straight. Just like that. Alright, see those 2 pins over there? They go in those 2 plugs which are in the body. Right there. That's why we had to pull it out straight. Now first thing we'll do is we'll just get the big wire or the clip. That gives us some space to move around. And now there's 2 bulbs for the tail light. That's the first one. The way to get it out is just grab on the bulb holder, twist it left, and then wiggle the bulb holder and it will come right out. To get the bulb out, all you gotta do is press it down, twist it left, and it comes right out. Simple as that. Now get the new bulb, align the pins on the bulb with the slots on the bulb holder, press it down, twist it right, and it's done. Let's do it again. Press it down, twist it right, and done. Now let's put the bulb holder back in the tail light. Now you'll see there's a big tab on the bulb holder. Align it with the big slot right there in the tail light. That will just make a job easy. Okay, once it goes in, it sits flush. Now just twist it right and it's locked in place. Done. And that's the second tail light bulb. Just grab it, twist it left. If it's hard, don't worry, it does get a little hard over time because of moisture. Twist it left, wiggle it, and it will come right out. Now to get the bulb out, just pull it off. If it doesn't come off, just wiggle it a little bit when you're pulling it off. Done. See, and that's what a working bulb looks like. It's got that filament in it, and it's a straight connection. There's no broken filament there. Get the new bulb, press it down, it's in its place. Put the bulb holder back in the tail light, make sure it sits flush, and then twist it right. And that's pretty much it. Now it's time to put the tail light back in the body. First, we'll align the pins on the tail light with those 2 plugs over there. Alright, align it, make sure it's in its place, and push it. Clicked, done. And now let's put those 4 screws back in its place, and we can use a screwdriver to tighten them. Now when you tighten them, you don't have to go crazy tight with it. Just make sure it's tight but not crazy tight. Alright, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All done. Let's close the hatch and check out the light. That looks good.